Today's topic is Ohm's law. Now, in order to understand Ohm's law, let us start with a simple circuit yet again and then talk about Ohm's law. We have here a simple circuit which once again has an electric bulb. This is our load, or in this case electric bulb, and then we have attached one battery in the circuit, and you can see that the battery is supplying 1.5 volts. That is the potential difference that the battery is providing. If a 1.5 volt battery is connected in this way, then the bulb will glow, and you can see the bulb glow because of the battery. If you add two batteries, then and each battery is 1.5 volts, then a total of 3 volts is now the potential difference supplied by these batteries. So the bulb will become brighter. And if you add yet another battery, making it a total of 4.5 volts, then then you will observe that the bulb is much brighter. Now, the current in the circuit, the current which is flowing in the circuit in this direction, is increasing as more and more batteries are added. As more batteries get added, the bulb becomes brighter, and it indicates that a bigger current is flowing through the circuit. So there is a direct relationship between the potential difference and the current flowing in the circuit. As the potential difference increased, as we added more batteries, the current flowing inside the circuit increased. So there is a clear direct relationship between the potential difference and the current. So you can say that the potential difference V is directly proportional to I, and I is the current. So that can be written as V is equal to R into. Now R is what we call a constant of proportionality. R is resistance. That is the resistance in this equation, and Ohm's law is this. Potential difference V is equal to R multiplied by I. And R is the resistance in a circuit. Now let us talk about what resistance is. I told you that electric current is nothing but a continuous flow of electrons. And when you apply a potential difference across a conductor, then electrons are flowing continuously from one atom to the next. These are free electrons of the atoms which are flowing from one atom to the next. You can see in this depiction of ours that these electrons are moving from atom to atom to the next atom. And that is how electric current flows. So electrons are moving from atom to atom. Now, as these electrons move through the conductor offers some resistance to the flow of electrons. There is an attraction caused between the nuclei of the atoms and the electrons, which is why these electrons which are flowing face some resistance to the movement. This resistance is what we called resistance in the earlier discussion. When I gave you Ohm's law, voltage is equal to R multiplied by I. The R, which is resistance, is caused by the resistance offered by a conductor to the flow of electrons. the motion of the electrons through a conductor faces certain resistances. It is impeded, and that is called the resistance of a circuit.